Hi students, welcome to my video tutorial series of design analysis of algorithm. Today I am discussing about a graph theory problem, n-queen problem. The problem is that there is a chessboard 4 cross 4 or n cross n, any chessboard, and you have to place n number of queen in this manner. That is, no two queen will be placed in same row, same column or same diagonally. So keep in mind, here I am taking the value of n is equal to 4. So here it is 4 queen problem. So no two queen can be placed in same diagonal, same row and same column. Okay, so a 4 queen problem is consist of a placing of 4 queen on a 4 cross 4 chessboard, so that no two queen can be placed capture each other. That means no two queen are allowed to place in the same row, same column or same diagonal. The following figure illustrated this. So none of these two queen are placed in the same diagonal and same row and same column. So although particular problem is not impressive, to keep in mind, you can generalize, and this 4 and n always should be greater than equal to 4. Okay, I am directly going to the procedure. So the most important procedure is that backtracking. So backtracking is that whenever you are solving some problem, and in some stage you are not finding any solution for that, so or you are not finding any possibility for a solution, so you have to go back and you have to again restart the procedure. So from the time to time the solver is stuck, because it tries to assign some values to some variable that are just not possible or desirable because they don't respect the constant. The solver must then challenge its previous choice and try other values, and this is called backtracking. So backtracking also occurs when the solver finds a solution but continue the search and tries to find the other solution. So I am directly going to that particular problem. The solver start by placing the queen and in the proper left corner, because the model we gave to the solver, it knows that there cannot be any two other queen is in the same column. Hence gray crosses on the following figure on constant fails. The solver cannot another queen in the same diagonal, so I am using red cross for that, and that is negative slope, and the red cross is the constant tells that the solver no two queens can be placed in the same row, and hence the next crosses is that. So after the first step, the only the white square will sorry only the white square are still available to place three remaining queens, and the process is excluding some square, and this is what called propagation. The second step start with the solver trying to place the second queen. Okay, it does not show the first available square from the top of the second column, as the first step solver knows that no other queen can be placed in the column where the just placed queen. Hence new gray causes in the next figure. The propagation is here below. Okay, so here you are placing the second queen, and the diagonal of the second queen is make as cross, red cross. Another constant for the diagonal is the positive slope. Is there is the right diagonal we are placing as red cross. Okay, now we have to failure as that no possibility to place the third queen. So no possibility to placing the third queen. Keep in mind, in the third column, so there are simply cannot be solution of this configuration, so the solver has to backtrack, that is back in the previous step, and the solver decide to changes the last decision to place the second queen and the uh, third row from the top of the places it in the fourth row. The propagation is as follows: the first square with the red cross is removed because the positive diagonal constant is leaves only one possibility to place queen in the fourth. Okay, the no to queen on the same row constant remove one more square in the third column and leaving only one square placing remaining queen. This is of course the possible, just a minute. Negative diagonal constant tells the solver no queen can be negative diagonal, so forth, and the queen, since there is on the solver included and there is a failure, it is backtrack again. So okay, so in this way it has to be backtrack in the previous step and find the new place where it has to be placed, and if it is follow the following constant, then that will solve the problem. Okay, thank you very much for watching this.